Have you ever wondered how some businesses manage to stay on top of the digital game, always seeming one step ahead? The secret lies in effective website maintenance. In today's narrative, we'll delve into 3 crucial reasons and strategies for keeping your digital storefront in prime condition. Our first keyword of the day is performance. A well-oiled website translates to top-notch performance. Everything from swift loading speeds to mending broken links falls under the umbrella of maintenance. Providing an effortless user experience not only boosts customer satisfaction, but also elevates your position on search engine ranks, paving the way for increased organic traffic to your site. Next up on our trending list is security. Living in a cyber age, it's crucial to prioritize cybersecurity. Regularly scheduled maintenance includes actions like security patch installations, software updates, and robust security measures to shield your website from looming threats. Safeguarding sensitive data and upholding customer trust are key to a thriving online presence. Finally, we have relevance. With the digital realm in a state of constant flux, it's essential for your website to keep pace. Regular content updates, refreshing design elements, and integrating the latest trends play a significant role in ensuring your website remains relevant and resonates with your audience. This not only keeps visitors engaged, but also fortifies your brand's credibility and authority in the industry. Allow us to introduce Reizgje, your go-to for expert counsel and bespoke solutions for business website app development. Our comprehensive services are designed to help you navigate hurdles, optimize productivity, and guarantee the continued success of your online venture. Are you ready to elevate your business? Reach out to us today at 0094776224444 or shoot us an email at inquiry@reizgje.com. Don't gamble with the future of your online business. Invest in effective website maintenance and unleash the full potential of your digital presence. For more nuggets of wisdom and strategies to dominate the competitive online marketplace, subscribe to our channel.